The 2014 GMC Terrain. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.